Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed in Windows 11, 10. Open Device Manager. Right-click Problematic USB Device, click Properties. Click Details tab, click Hardware ID. Copy Hardware ID. Open Registry Editor. Type \paste already copied text. Click Device Parameters, create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Enhanced Power Management Enabled, change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.